In this video, we will learn how to fix TikTok photo swipe feature isn't working problem. If your TikTok photo swipe feature isn't working, don't worry, here's a simple guide to get it up and running on both iOS and Android devices. First, open up your TikTok app, then go to your TikTok profile by tapping the profile icon. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Free Up Space. Clear both the cache and the downloads. This helps remove any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. Then restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your phone can resolve many app-related issues. If your problem is still not resolved after restarting, ensure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and add new features. To update your TikTok app, head to the App Store or Play Store and type TikTok in the search bar. If it says Update next to TikTok, tap it to update your app, but if it says Open, your app is up to date. Updating often fixes bugs and issues, so it's always good to keep your apps current. After following these steps, your TikTok should have the photo swipe feature working smoothly. Enjoy creating those awesome slideshows. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.